Okay, Airport Drive South. Well, if any airplanes were coming, they'd be coming down from the other end. Just the way the windsock is. It was on top of that house back there. There's another one down here at the end. Yep. That's why I say if any was coming, they'd be coming down to the end we're heading for. I haven't heard any planes. I haven't heard any today to speak of. Wasn't this house for sale once? $270, I swear it was. Maybe not though. Well, yeah. I wonder what that T-tail airplane is. It's kind of cool looking.
What's that little one?
This one here's cool. This is a Seneca 5 or a Baron 5.
I-600.
Yeah,
Wasn't
I think it was. Hello. One for sale. Okay, this is the business end of the runway today. I don't see no airplanes. Still get out of the way in a hurry. Okay, we have (924) Roger Lima 431 DS Diamond Aircraft. This is the cool one, 56320. This one's cool too, 736NQ. And one time I seen that plane, its motor wasn't running right and the person wouldn't take off with it.
Yeah.
I think it's been there ever.
After it had been there for years. It was buried behind all that stuff.
Yeah.
They finally cleaned
This
it
plane
up.
here I've never seen move. 1611Y. Never seen it move. That's a cool little Piper there. Got the bottom cowl off of it. Hey, there's a for sale sign. Who is it? Caldwell Waterfront. Oh, look at that cool blue airplane. I gotta look at it. Not a tail dragger. Tail dragger ragwing. Okay. That was exciting. There's a new airplane here. Summerland, Key, Cove, Airport, FD59. SummerlandKeyAirport.com.